Hello everyone, so in this video I would like to teach you something that you all need to know. It's supply and demand. So if you are trading in a price action or smart money strategy, you will like to know what supply demand is. The first thing we need to know is the price moves because of supply and demand. When demand is greater than supply, prices rise. When supply is greater than demand, prices fall. Sometimes price will move sideways as both supply and demand are in equilibrium. So this is one of the things we need to know here at the technical analysis. And let's go now to the charts. I would like to show to you how to draw your supply demand zones. Here at gold, the gold chart, uh, I'm in the 4-hour time frame. So supply demands are zones where the price, when it comes to this zone, the price falls or goes up. During these zones, you can avoid to be figured out at your trades because you will enter at the zones where the buyers buys and the sellers sells. So here we need to have a clear example here. So at this zone here, uh, so we will draw this using a rectangle tool here at trading view. I'll put the link of trading view below for you to analyze your charts and have a clear vision of what's going on at the market. I use the previous candle downfall fall here, and we'll do that next. Yeah, price test here. Do this using the 1 hour time frame. We are day traders for our if you are swingers or any other chart, depending of how you trade and how enter at market. Here we got, so if we put our rectangle here, our own can charge here guys. You so because I do this because I like to trade with a small stop loss and high profit rate with a high risk reward ratio. So yeah, we are seeing that the price come from here, go down here, and here we can put here name from here the price up. Here we can draw other zone or not, depending on frame. Put this y. Okay, came here, tested here this week, then go down, up, boom, zone, test, and retest trend. Boom. Here the price came here and then retested here, same zone all week. Here we go, boom. Wait here for a retest and confirmation at the test time frames. Price fall. Okay, come here. You can see that stop loss here above week. The price did touch this zone, boom, and come here, and then come here to retest here. Didn't loss. Now the price is here. So from here we expect to see the price falling. Why I'm telling that? Because we are in a downtrend here. This broke this price, this movement here broke the last low, boom, and the high was that. Okay, and created a new high below this high, and boom, we expect the price to come just here, and from here we will analyze, sorry, and we will see what we got here from the market. So one entry, let's go to the 10 minutes time frame. Okay, that's a great end. Shoulder, head, shoulder, back to then go plus here or here, all these really take profit. I'm here, open it 3 trades, and you see that the price is going down here. Let's take, boom, hit. Second, when the price hit here, you can put a break even here, boom. Price didn't touch here, and if the price breaks this zone, we will still be in profit because we take a profit here at this zone, and the other 2 trades have a $0 or any other currency you are trading in loss. So hope you enjoy. Subscribe, leave your like, share, and if you have more questions about anything you want to know here at trading at Forex, indices, or commodities, you can put here at the comment, and I will analyze if you want other charts. Here I'm analyzing gold. So thank you for watching this. See you at the next video.